To deploy a Uniswap liquidity pool contract, you need to start by setting up a development environment with Node.js and a code editor. Install the necessary dependencies including Truffle and Web3.js. Create a new Truffle project and install the Uniswap v2 protocol contracts. Next, create a new JavaScript file to write the deployment script. Import the necessary contracts in Web3.js library. Define the token addresses and the liquidity pool contract address. Set up a provider to connect to the Ethereum network and unlock the wallet. Compile the contracts using Truffle and migrate them to the Ethereum network. Deploy the Uniswap v2 factory contract and the WETH contract. Create a new liquidity pool contract using the factory contract. Add liquidity to the pool by calling the add liquidity function. It is essential to test the liquidity pool contract on a testnet before deploying it to the mainnet. Use Truffle to test the contract and ensure it is working as expected. Once the contract is deployed and tested, you can verify it on Etherscan to ensure it is correct and secure. Best practices for deploying a Uniswap liquidity pool contract include using a secure wallet and provider and testing the contract thoroughly. It is also essential to follow the Uniswap protocol documentation and guidelines to ensure the contract is deployed correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully deploy a Uniswap liquidity pool contract and start providing liquidity to the Uniswap protocol.